Hi guys, welcome back. It's Lisa. If you're new to the channel, welcome. I hope you will stick around and subscribe. Today I've got another super simple glam DIY for us. We're going to be making a glam frosted Christmas centerpiece. So what you'll need, you're going to need some of these teardrop pendants. They're from Efavormart. You'll need some Angel's Tears pendants, also from Efavormart. And I have some white iridescent glitter from Efavormart. Efavormart is an online retailer of event decor, event lighting, event supplies, and so much more. I will have Efavormart's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out. You're going to need some oval rhinestone buckles, and these are from Totally Dazzled. Totally Dazzled is an online retailer of event decor and wedding decor and so much more. I will have Totally Dazzled's information along with my custom affiliate links in the description box below for you guys to check them out as well. What are you going to need from Dollar Tree? You're going to need an oval platter. And this is a nickel or silver platter from Dollar Tree. You're going to need some little silver ornaments. You could really use whatever color ornaments you like. You can use a color scheme of silver, gold, red, whatever color scheme you like. I've got some white florals from Dollar Tree. I've got this glass bud vase from Dollar Tree. And I have some Mod Podge from Dollar Tree and a little foam paintbrush. And I also have one of these little round 2-inch mirrors. I picked this up at Michael's. They come in a pack of 4, so you will need one of these. I'm going to be using hot glue on my project. But if you'd like to make any components permanent, please use something like an E6000 or an epoxy bond, and that will help to make it permanent. These are the items that we need in order to create this beautiful centerpiece. So let's get started. Okay, you guys, now didn't this frosted centerpiece turn out absolutely beautifully? And this was so easy to make. Now let's go ahead and start decorating with it. Well, there you have it, you guys. Another beautiful and super simple glam DIY. I hope you all will give this easy DIY a try. If you like these kinds of glam videos and glam DIYs, please be sure to share my videos with your friends. Give me a thumbs up. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe, hit the notifications bell so that you don't miss any of the future uploads, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.